What's up? What's up? What's up, you guys? It's just SkinnyBoyRandy. Hope you're having a great, growing, blessed, and prosperous day. Thank you for being here. I love you so much. You're the best. Don't forget, click like and subscribe. Click the bell to get a notification. Share the video. Leave a comment. I love you guys. You are the best. Look, as promised, I wanted to give you an update on the potted avocado seed. You know we potted this, and we started it from seed, just like that one. That's a new one, you guys. Yep. Co-worker came and gave me another one. After I told her how great this one was doing, she came and laid this one on my desk. Now this one looks a little fatter and more round, but as you can see, we kept our toothpicks away from the line, just like that. And she has not sprouted open yet. She's only been here a few days. But look at the one we planted, you guys. You know, I was a little nervous, like, okay, I hope it doesn't go in the shop. But look. You see that? Leaves are sprouting from our avocado seed, you guys. Yes, and I started this on January the 19th, 19th or the 21st. And you can just go back and look. I'll try to leave a link in the description. But yeah, guys, it took well to the soil. It has gotten taller. It has sprouted out some leaves. You know, they're just starting, but yeah, at least we know that it has taken to the soil. Yep. And when I started the seed, you guys, I just changed the water every day. I started it just like I'm doing this one. The first day I started, I dropped a regular plain aspirin in the water and let it dissolve on its own. And then I changed my water every other day. People are like, are you supposed to change the water every other day? I'm like, wouldn't you want to take a bath every other day? Or every day? Well, for the avocado, we don't have to do it every day, but wouldn't you want somebody to rinse you off? Okay. So, yeah, change that water, y'all. Keep it fresh. Keep fungus out of it. You know how it is. You got to treat your babies like humans, like your babies. Take care of them. It looks like something else dropped in here, y'all. But that's okay. But I just wanted to give you an update on our avocado seed. It's doing great, you guys. It's way over the lid of the pot. I'll give you that angle. Yeah. So starting avocado seed, you guys, it's not that hard. Just take your time. Have faith. Be careful out here, you guys. Oh, by the way, this coronavirus. You guys be safe. Wash your hands. You know, don't be touching things and putting your hands in your mouth and your eyes and, you know, stuff like that, and in your nose. You know, hope you ain't digging up your nose anyway. Okay. I love you guys. You are the best. But while I got you out here, let me just show you something real quick. You remember our little side gardens that we started? Look. We have progress. Yep. Started in winter time. These are radish. And I threw some collards over here too. And we have things coming up. We'll be thinning very soon. Hoping we get our radish, y'all. Haven't had too much luck with the radish over here, but I'm still learning this soil. Now look at this raised bed. Remember we started the raised bed? In like 10 minutes, 5 minutes, however long it took on that video. Look, I thinned these radish. They're looking pretty good. Looks like they've taken to the ground. They haven't bolted like the ones that we're doing inside of my greenhouse. I think it was too hot. But look, y'all. This is 2020. Today is March the 12th. And we have growage. We have growthage. Is that a word? Growthage? I don't know. Is growthage a word? I don't know. Okay. But yeah. And then in our little experiment garden over here, remember? We started some things. This was the first bed we dug up out of this long bed. We had that little circle going on. And look. Yep. We have growthage. All over there we have growthage. That's my new word. We have growthage. I hope you guys are having a blessed, growing, great, and prosperous day, you guys. This coronavirus is scaring people. They're closing the schools. Y'all, you better grow your food. You better grow your food. Grow your own food, okay? Remember, live, love, laugh, you guys. Grow stuff and eat it. It's all about having fun, doing it your way, do your garden your way. I love you guys. Thanks for being here, okay? Okay. Our avocado seed. Updated.